And we're gonna go! Look at him go, guys. I love his noises. See if we can make him drift. So cute. This year for May the 4th, we made it to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge and picked up a Galactic Archive Series Mouse Droid.
I'm so excited. I've been waiting like 3 days to open this, so let's do it.
Before we open it up, baby, admire the box. It is beautiful. There are like little decals of everything Star Wars, from like Kylo Ren helmets, TIE fighters, X-Wings, A-Wings.
Yep, it's really cool. Like you would think it would just be, I thought it was just a black box, but upon closer inspection, it's covered in these little like emblems, and it's cool. It kind of makes the box seem a little bit higher end.
So one thing I did not expect when we saw this thing is massive. It was $100, and I thought it was gonna be like, you know, a normal little sized guy, but
I thought it was gonna be like cat size. Like literally cat size, you know, but
wait until we pull it out.
It turns out it's a chunky cat size.
Look at how big it is. Oh. It is a life-size, legit size of what a mouse droid would be if you see it running around inside of a Star Destroyer.
That's so cool. I really didn't think it was gonna be this big. Like, it feels real and hefty, and I mean, it just looks amazing. I'm so excited.
It's really light, which is kind of cool. But what's extra neat is in here, you actually get a remote control. So if you open this up, you can actually drive this bad boy around.
That is so freaking cool.
It goes front and back, left and right. It can go in circles.
Yes, I'm so excited. It beeps and boops, right?
It does. So we'll get some batteries in here, but all the lights and everything light up. Before we do that though, like the detail on this is awesome.
Yes, it is.
One thing that Estella pointed out when we saw it in the, like on the show floor over in the trading post area, was all of this is weathered around here. So you have weathering all on the edges, like it's run into the sides of the Star Cruiser while it's cleaning.
Yep. I always have this picture of these guys that kind of like freak out and they squeal. You know, they squeak and then they run off around the corner kind of like that, right? And I can just picture it like doing that and bumping into things, and all of that weathering is already on it, which I really love. I also really like all these chips on the side. If you look closely, it looks like they're actual like chips, like computer chips sticking out.
Yeah.
So that's just such a cool detail. I was just admiring some of the details on him, and I noticed that both of the sides are actually a little bit different. At first I thought they were the same. On this side, all of the chips look like they're filled up or like covered, like taken care of. But on this side, some of them are actually vacant and they have holes in them. Like it looks like you could insert another different chip, maybe to make it do a different behavior or modify him in some way.
I did not even notice that.
I just love that. I love all the detail and thought that was put into this.
To get this bad boy going, you're gonna wanna flip it over and you will see a little switch down here at the bottom.
Yep, and also on the back you have your speaker. It's gonna be coming out of the bottom. And there's this little cubby right here, which if you open that, it'll show you your cable and the charging port's also in there.
So what's really neat is this is USB-C rechargeable, so you can just plug your mouse droid in, just like real life probably, and get him going. So we'll get him switched on. Is he on already, babe?
He should be off right now.
He should be off, so we'll swap it the other way and get him upright. And then our controller came with batteries.
Yes, it came with the batteries already in it, and it does have a switch in the middle. So you're gonna wanna turn that on, and it's gonna turn on a little red light here. Bam, and once it's solid like that, it means that it's connected. If it keeps flashing, then you need to turn him on. And you wanna do the honors?
I'm afraid I'm gonna run it off the table. Oh, like that. All right, which way is, okay, that's forward.
Well,
he makes little noises.
Oh my God, I'm so excited right now.
All right, he will light up and everything too. I think I was holding this the wrong way. It's the little noises. So the buttons on top control the noises. What's this one? Is this one gonna be the lights? It's the lights. So we have red lights, flashing lights if you press it again. Fast flashing lights. This is if he's angry.
This is danger.
Oh Oh my gosh! And then if we press it again, it's off. So you have 3 speeds. You have on, slow pulse, fast pulse, and then off.
Okay.
And then your noise button.
Oh,
That was, he's angry. I think that was an angry one.
seriously?
Yeah.
I thought that was more like a, you look good.
Well, you do look good. This is clearly not enough space for our little mouse droid, so I think we need to put him on the ground, maybe take him outside and drive him around.
Let's do it.
I'm very excited for his first adventure outdoors. Let's see what he can do. Damn, look at him. He's
Oh my
booking
God, he's so fast.
it. He is crazy fast. You guys hear little noises?
I love how you're just jogging with it.
I would say that's a good like 5 miles an hour at least, but it could be more. He's so much fun.
I feel like we need a mouse droid POV, so I strapped the Go 3S on him, and we are going to turn his lights on.
Ooh.
I think we're gonna go with the fast flashing, and we're gonna go! Look at him go, guys. I love his noises. See if we can make him drift.
So cute.
And go. All right, let's see how far we can take him away. And then we're gonna loop him back around. This thing has good range with the control.
It really does.
Oh my God, his noises are too cute. All right, come back to me, little buddy.
That was fantastic.
I love it. I'm gonna play with this guy every single day. Worth every penny.
I just have to know who can power walk faster. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that was like the same. I think that is the answer to everything is he can go at a power walking speed because I was trying to really book it. But I have short little legs, so you know.
This mouse droid may be the best thing I ever bought from Walt Disney World. The next time you're at Disney, definitely pick one up. They're only $100. I think you can grab them at Tatooine Traders and the Droid Depot now. And I love it. If you guys want to check out everything from May the 4th, all the new lightsaber releases, make sure to come hang out with us in our May 4th vlog and check out our full guide to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. We'll see you guys there.
Bye.